In this video, I will show you how I generate the portfolio front-end using AI, how I create animation using Scratch from AI tools, how I fix common issues during the process, and finally the exact prompt I use to get better result. You can find all the front-end code, the prompts I used, everything in the Notion template. I have linked in the description. You can take that and then join my journey. So let's get started. So this is a website I created using the prompt. So this exact prompt and the implementation plan I will add in the description. You can download that. You can copy the prompt and also download the implementation plan there and then create your own front end just like that. So I will just brief about the front end I created using Lovable. So this is the let me get started. So this is the hero section. The hero section is totally empty. This is where you can add your image, like you are facing it. You can animate it using flow. I will show you how to do that. Then we scroll down, you can see this section. There is an issue with this, however. I will fix this in anti-gravity. I'm not in love because I already out of free credits. Now we scroll down here, you can see the sections about what to do, and then here my story section, and then there is career path timeline, and then there is collaborates trusted by, then there is project section, and then there is testimonials, and these are just generic. I will fix that in anti-gravity, but all of them are not generic because the prompt is really advanced one. This looks really good, but need some changes here and there. Yeah, let's just straight to it. The first step was to find a subject. I need a subject to create the animation. While searching through Pinterest, I found this AI prompted image. So the animation is like the camera go through the keyhole of this door, and then there you can see that person sitting in the chair. Okay, we're gonna be using the black and white, not this colorful, black and white. So after download that, we're gonna create the start frame and end frame. So this is a Notion template I'm using to add the video I have working on and the assets I'm used in that video. So here this is a new project. I didn't even found a title for the video, so that's why this new set it as new project. Here I just added only the start frame and end frame and the animation prompt. I will be adding all the assets. Okay, I will show you how to add the front end code, like the website front end code, and then gonna just add that right over code, and here I'm gonna just ask file. Okay, now I have attached the file over here, so you can download that. Also I will add the implementation plan. Now I have added that implementation plan and the code, the prompts and everything. And when I go through this video, I'll be adding all the prompts I'm using, working prompts I'm using one by one. You can find the Notion template in the description. You can download that and get all the prompt. And now let's create the start frame, end frame and the animation. Now let's create the frames, and here I'm gonna be using the Whisk new tool, and here I'm gonna add the subject, and then we're gonna copy the first frame prompt here, and then just enter the prompt here, enter. Okay, now download the start frame, and here I'm going to be selecting this one, and then add that to the subject after deleting the previous one, and then paste the last frame prompt. Here I'm gonna just copy the end frame, and here I'm just delete this and paste the end frame prompt, and then just enter. Now let's download the last. Gonna be choosing this one, download, and now we have the start frame and the end frame. Now let's create the animation. For that I'm going to be using the flow, and this is flow. Let me full screen it, F11. Okay, I'm now in full screen. Now let's go to new project. Here just dump the first frame and second frame. So after dumping that start frame and end frame, paste that animation prompt right over here. Copy the prompt here, come out to flow, and here you need to make sure that F11. Okay, make sure it is organized well. We'll just remove that, then go here and then remove the ingredients to frames. So here we can just add the start frame and end frame. So start frame here, start frame should be this one, okay, and then frame should be this one. And now let's paste our prompt right over here, and then just enter. Guys, we got ourselves a wonderful animation. First, I'm gonna be showing the one I'm not gonna be choosing as our hero section. So this is the fun I'm gonna be choosing as. The video is kind of good, but not that perfect. But when you see this one, okay, it is going so smooth and everything. I can see the face is clear and he's not moving or anything. It's really fine. Okay, and I'm not saying it's the worst or anything. It's just good. I mean, not that perfect. I feel like this is so perfect for our hero section. So let's just download it. Make sure you get a premium of flow actually. Just download this one, and then I'm gonna convert this to image sequence. And this is EZGIF, and here just upload the file. I mean the video. Okay, after adding that file, you can see the name. After adding that, just go here and upload the video. This is the page. Okay, now scroll down and come over here to frame rate. Increase this to 30 maximum, and then convert this to JPG, and then just download the zip file and convert the zip file into folder, and then add to anti-gravity. Now I have add that file, and now here you can see all the image sequence. After that, let's paste that prompt right over here. That will add the scroll driven animation in the hero section of our portfolio website. Paste it right over here. In the asset section, I will just come over here and then drag and drop right over here. Okay, wait it over here. So there I have attached the frames, and then just enter, and it's finished, and it's perfectly finished. Let me full screen it, and then let me scroll. So as you can see, the quality is an issue. We didn't use the 4K video. That's why the quality is really low. Come here to download the 4K by buying the premium version. As you can see, it's really working fine. Now let's fix the other sections. And this cursor is really not working well. So let's fix that. I have found the problem which is causing this. So let's just come over to anti-gravity. So in this interactive position page, there is experience that feel alive, and here when we scroll on, there is that experience that, but more people is, so it's showing more people here. We need feel alive text in that section. So let's copy this, come over here, remove this and paste it, paste the feel alive, and then come over to here, and then just save all. After saving all that, just refresh it. Tell me, just full screen it. Okay, this is our hero section, and when we hover over it, okay, there is some issues. Let's fix that too. Okay, the same issue here. Just copy this, and then copy this, and then paste it right over here. In feel alive text, there is extra bolt is added in the text. Let's remove that and paste our text primary, and then come over here and save all. Creative developer and designer, I craft digital experience that feel alive, and now it's working really fine. Okay, I will demonstrate how to add something like this to this section. Wait, let's just select black one, because black is really working fine for us. Black one, and just copy the prompt. And now I have adjust that component prompt, and then paste that. I will include that in the description. Then I'm gonna paste that prompt, and then I'm gonna just enter. And look at this. This is our testimonial section, and it's changed the header, and this is the testimonials, and really looking fine. It is really connecting to our website, the color and everything. Okay, and that's it. It totally finished, and we have created our cool website. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.